Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to fix Beats Studio Pro case not charging. So number 1, check and clean charging contacts. For the earbud in case, remove the earbuds from the case and disconnect the charging cable. Use a dry lint-free cloth to wipe the charging pins on the case and the contacts on the earbuds. For stubborn dirt, you slightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol to clean the contacts, but make sure no liquid gets into the openings. Also, clean the USB-C port on the case to ensure it isn't blocked by debris. Try different charging accessories. Use a different known good USB-C cable to see if the current one is faulty. Change the power adapter. Connect the case to a different wall adapter or a computer's USB port to rule out a problem with your power source. Number 3, reset the charging case. Open the case and place both earbuds inside the charging case and leave the case open. Press and hold the button system on the case for 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red and white. Release the button and the case should reset. Now, if none of these steps resolves the charging issue, there may be a problem with your hardware with the case. So contact Apple support or visit their website to explore repair or replacement options. That's it. Thanks for watching.